Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the session. This is Krishna. Presently, we are speaking about the subject called as strategic management. In the strategic management, we are speaking about the topic called as mission. What do you mean by mission statement? Mission is the future outlook of the organization. It indicates what the purpose or the reason behind the existence of the organization. Apart from this, mission statement also gives an outline regarding why the organization is existing. In the present class, we will be discussing about large number of characteristics of mission statement. We also will be discussing about large number of aspects of mission statement like importance and components of mission statement. Along with this, we will also discuss regarding what is the examples of mission statement together. Hope you will all like this session. Presently, we will be sharing the screen, which says what is mission statement, what are the characteristics of mission statement, along with this, what are the examples of mission statement. Mission statement, as the name itself indicates, it is anything which is used to increase the target achieving tendency of the company. It is the goal to be achieved is called as vision statement, and the vision VISSION vision statement can be achieved through a path which is called as mission statement. The first definition goes on like this. Definition includes what do you mean by mission statement? Vision statement indicates the purpose of the organization. It states why the organization is existing in its environment, and what are the aspects of that the organization has to follow in order to achieve its target or goal or vision of the organization. It states the reason for the organization existence, and at the same time, it is a statement is also called as a statement of purpose or a statement of philosophy of the organization. It reveals what the organization wants to achieve in future point of time. What are the components of mission statement? And the main component of mission statement is the customers itself. The main components of the mission statement is the customers itself. For example, to take Johnson & Johnson has its responsibility towards doctors, nurses, and patients, mothers, and all other who are using their products. And it also indicates the products and services. It also indicates the markets, as well as it has an objective that depends upon varies from one organization to the other. Some of the organizations state the mission for survival, some state the mission for growth, and some state the mission for profitability. It is the philosophy of the organization. It indicates what the organization should do in order to achieve its long-term goal. What is the importance of mission statement is the biggest issue here. The importance of mission statement is as follows. It unifies all the elements of the organization and achieves try to achieve the goal of the organization. It is a standard or a benchmark for allocation of resources. Based upon the mission statement only, resources are allocated to various aspects. It indicates how the organization climate is, what are the whether the employees are satisfied, whether the customers need to be satisfied, whether the stakeholder need to be satisfied, and others. It is a focal point. It's a focal point means it is the point which it carefully examined helps the organization to achieve its long-term goal. It translates the objectives into tasks, or we can say that it translates the objectives into goals. The statement, if it is properly understood and if everyone works on it, then the goal of the organization can be achieved in no time. It says the purpose behind the existence of the organization or the reason for the existence of the organization. What are the characteristics of mission statement? One of the characteristics of mission statement is it should be remembered for a long time. And how it will be remembered? When it is not lengthy only, it will be remembered for a long time. It means that it should be brief. The content must be in a single line or a couple of lines. It must be clearly articulated, means it must consist of values, purposes, and goals to be accomplished clearly. So it must be clearly, it must be clearly and skillfully written such that it aims the organization goal. Next thing is it is broad in the sense that the scope of mission statement is very large when compared to the scope when compared to the others, and it is unique when compared to the others. It inspires all the workers, it motivates the readers and asks them and makes the employees to work for it. Next, it reflects the firm's worth in the sense it indicates how the organization position is present. Next, it is relevant. It is relevant means should be appropriate, and it means that it must be suitable to the organization, which whose real position is present. Next one is it is unique, means it differentiates one organization from other. No two organizations will have the same set of statements. Next one is it is dynamic in nature. Dynamic in the sense it is continuously changing from one to the other, and it is having its own orientation and direction and purpose to be achieved. Means whatever may be the mission statement, the mission statement ultimate objective is to attain customer satisfaction and to improve that and to attract the customers as well as make them to purchase the product. This it declares a social policy, means it so shows how the organization is responsible and what the organization is supposed to be in the future. It is a set of values, beliefs, and philosophies. It's a philosophical thought. It indicates the value system of the company, and it also indicates the thoughts of the various founders, the reason why the founders have stated this vision statement. Whatever may be, it may be a vision statement, it may be a vision statement. One thing is certain that everybody must understand the vision and vision statement perfectly. Then only the organizations can survive and organization can exist for a long period of time. What is the difference between vision and vision statement? Vision, it is a goal or objective of which is it's a strategic goal, it's a long-term goal or objective, what the organization dreams to achieve, and it is very broad and it answers what we wanted to become, means the goal of the organization. Next, mission statement is a philosophical thought. It says the reason why the firm is existing. It is more specific when compared to the vision statement. It indicates what is our business, what is the present condition of the business, and what the business has to do to achieve its vision statement. It's business statement examples. First one, we will see about only two mission statements. One is the Microsoft mission statement. Our mission, Microsoft mission statement is as follows. Our mission is to empower every person and every organization on the planet to achieve more. It means that it indicates that because of us, because of the Microsoft, all the customers who are using the Microsoft, all the organizations who are using the Microsoft can achieve their goals instantly. This Southwest Airlines mission. Southwest Airlines mission statement. The Southwest Airlines mission statement says like this: the mission of Southwest Airlines is dedication to the highest quality of customer service delivered with a sense of warmth, friendliness, individual pride, and company spirit. Here it is very clear that Southwest Airlines has a mission statement so that they can provide better services with good friendliness and individual pride and company spirit. The main focus is to render the customer services to the maximum core. And the Coca-Cola has its vision statement. It says to inspire moments of optimism and happiness through our brands and action. It says that with the help of the brands that are released in the market, the Coca-Cola will bring some sort of happiness in the minds of the people for using those products. How to write a mission statement? First of all, what we have to do, we have to know what are our products. For writing the mission statement, there are many steps, out of which first and the foremost step is describe what products, what to sell, what are the services, and what are the products. These things have to be described. Second step is describe how your company does what it does. Means how the company renders the services, how the company treats the environment, all these things. Describe why your company does what it does. Describe why your company does what it does. There's one difference: how your company does in the earlier step. Now, why your company does, in the sense it says how passionate the company is, what sort of quality it certifies, and what sort of products does it certify. Next step is put your new mission statement to work, in the sense implementing the mission statement. These are the various steps involved in preparation of the mission statement. First step being what your company is, how to market your company, why to market your company products, and finally implementing of the mission statement. What are the parts of the mission statement? There are three parts of the mission statement. First and the foremost part is a statement of vision need to be studied. I'm saying again, statement of vision need to be studied before formulation of mission statement. Second one is core value system of the company need to be studied. Whether the company is moral, what sort of moral does it follows, etc. need to be studied. What are the goals and objectives of the business need to be studied. These three things need to be done before formulation of mission statement. This is the entire detail regarding what is the mission statement, what are the components of mission statement, next what are the characteristics of mission statement, and what are the examples of the mission statement. Hope you all enjoy the class. Thank you.